library families to our virtual programming here at our Chula Vista Public Library. I'm so happy to have you here with us. I'm going to be teaching you some fun tips on how to make a Berry-Chia jam. I'm Miss Darlene, and I'm going to be your host and your recipe maker today. Now, this is a really fun program that you can do with your family since it doesn't require cooking. So, and it's very healthy because it has chia seeds in it. So I'm sure moms and dads are gonna love the fact that you're eating something yummy and it has healthy elements to it. So, and you know, the elements that we're gonna be using, the ingredients actually are really healthy because they have antioxidants. We're gonna be using blueberries and raspberries and strawberries and chia seeds and maple syrup and lemon juice. So they're all really healthy ingredients. Now, this isn't a jam that we're going to be keeping in our cupboards. For that kind of a jam, you have to cook it and use pectin. This one we're going to be keeping in our refrigerators, and it's not going to last that long. Believe me, it's so yummy. By the end of the week, it's probably going to be gone. So here, we're going to get started. You ready? All right, so what we're going to do is get yourself a nice mixing bowl, and our ingredients are going to be blueberries and raspberries and strawberries, hence that it's going to be a Berry-Chia jam. So also we're going to be using chia seeds and some maple syrup. And as my citrus, I'm going to be using actually tangerine juice, but you could use lemon juice or you can use orange juice, because you just need a couple of tablespoons of that. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with our blueberries. So let's see, I'm going to grab up some blueberries. I already washed these ahead of time, so we're gonna put in one. Let's get a couple of, making a big mess here. Don't you know it, don't you know it? Get a couple of, there we go. We can always add more if we think we need more. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put these in. This is about a cup of raspberries. Now these are frozen. You can buy fresh raspberries. It's a little bit less expensive to buy actually frozen raspberries. And just remember you have to thaw them overnight and probably take out some of the liquid that it has so you don't have too much liquid. And also I have some strawberries here we're gonna add also to this. This is gonna be super, super yummy. All right, let's put all the ingredients to the side. And let's see, we're gonna go ahead. And this is where it's really fun. The kids can get involved in the whole squashing of the fruit. Can you hear it? This just seems like a lot of fun. And we're just gonna keep going and going until we get it all nice and you don't want it to be, I mean, we could put it in a blender or put it in a bullet and do that, but then what happens when you do that is it becomes very liquefied. And this way we're kind of have it a little bit chunky. But the kids would have a lot of fun doing this at home. You can look for other recipes for like maybe figs or apricots. Right now in the summer we have a lot of fruiting trees. So you can use other fruits to make these jams. And they're kind of nice, it's a nice little breakfast additive. You can, add it to your toast or add it to your oatmeal. And now we're going to add in our chia seeds. So that's going to be about 2 tablespoons. And just, chia seeds, once you make your jam, it's best if you let it sit in the refrigerator overnight because the chia seeds kind of absorb all of the liquids and it makes it a little bit more firm. And then we're gonna add in some maple syrup. And it's to taste. If you don't want to add in the syrup, you don't have to. If you prefer, if you're if you're diabetic or you have another reason why you use artificial sugar, you can put that in instead, or just go natural. And then so here we go. Now we're going to mix it all together. Ooh, that looks so yummy. So as you notice, as we're stirring, everything is mixing up, but it's still a little bit liquefied. So as I shared with you, the chia seeds will absorb that liquid. You just put it in your container overnight, and it'll get nice and firm overnight and be more of a jam. So that looks nice and pretty. So now I'm going to grab a little container here. You can use any kind of a container that has a lid on it, since we're not actually doing the canning process. But you can buy these at any store, you know, it's your neighborhood store. And we're just gonna go ahead and put that in there. Look how pretty and yummy that looks. Ooh. It's kind of fun to, you know, look on the library's social media platforms and find these recipes and programs that we have for you. We just love bringing you programs to your family during this time. So look how pretty that looks in there. That's it, folks. That is the very easy peasy. And like I said, this is a fun program that you can do with your family, with your kids, and a healthy and nutritious. All right, our families, look at, so this is our jam the next day. See how it got a thicker, more like a jam consistency. Ooh, yummy on toast. I like it with toast and a little bit of cream cheese. Delicious. So this is the end of our segment. So if you like this video, we want your 2 thumbs up. So we want you to like and share and subscribe to our YouTube platform and share it with all your friends. Okay, signing off, Miss Darlene.